Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a gift exchange with Jahndra, My Xpressions, here on YouTube. So she sent me some wonderful Christmas presents and I also sent her some lovely Christmas presents. So it's kind of like a swap style video. This idea was from Elizabeth, who I also did a swap with, and Nicole. So we decided to do like a big Christmas swap together. So we made little wish lists and kind of putting what we would like, and then they made some too, so we could kind of figure out and plan who was gonna get what and all of that. So I'll have other videos with my swap with Nicole and with Elizabeth. So without further ado, let's head into opening this lovely box from Jahndra. I'm like really excited. Alright, so I've opened it up and here are the goodies inside. And I see a card, and I love cards, so I have to open this up. Let's see. Oh, it's a beautiful Christmas tree. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's so pretty. Merry Christmas, Emily. I'm so happy that we are part of this little group on Instagram and YouTube. It's been so fun to collaborate with you and the other girls. I hope you like what I picked out for you. Here's to many more future collaborations. Once again, Merry Christmas to you and your family. Love, Jahndra. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Jahndra. Oops, I'm dropping it. I love this card. It has like this really cool pearl texture. It's so pretty. Alrighty. Oh, I love this. E for Emily. This is so cute. It's a Christmas ornament, I think, right? Oh, it looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, I want to open this right now. I love it. Yeah, it is an ornament. Oh, it's so pretty, Jahndra. I love this. It is stunning. So it's an E that's embroidered on. And it has little Swarovski crystals going around it. And this matches my tree because I have little hints of red in it. I love this. This is perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, these are so good. I love these. I don't even know if she knew this, but I actually love dark chocolate and mint. And I got these delicious junior mints peppermint. I'm probably going to eat these after I'm done filming this. Well, not the whole thing, but some of them after filming the video. But if you eat the whole thing, there's nothing wrong with that too. So these are really good. Ooh, this is so cool. She has little notes, and look how beautifully packaged these are. Okay, let's see what's inside. Open me last, a little something extra to remember me by. Okay, so this one's last. They're so cool with their notes. I love that. Okay, what's this one? Open me first. All right, so we have this cute, do you guys see it? It has the cutest little ribbon and it has little pink bits of pink and white on it. I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Did you wrap these, Jahndra? Because they're so beautifully wrapped. Like so perfectly wrapped. I need to learn to wrap better. My wrapping skills are not, you know what, I actually used to be really good at wrapping, and then I think my life got a little busy, so I feel like my wrapping has not been as ideal. Okay, let's open this up. What could be inside? Well, it's a Pandora box. Let's see. This is so exciting! I'm really excited. She got me Princess Aurora, so Sleeping Beauty, the dress. So this is, I really wanted this because I just love Sleeping Beauty's dresses, like because they change color and everything, and I really love it. And if you guys know, I actually love to sew and make dresses and things, and there's just something special about the Sleeping Beauty one that I just love. But it was one of those charms that like I was like, well, I don't have to have it, but it's always been on my wish list. So I'm really excited about this charm. Oh my goodness, Jahndra, thank you. I totally did not expect to get this charm at all, so I'm like really excited. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. Okay. Then we have this one that's next. Love the ribbon. Open me second. Okay, let's unravel it and see what's inside. Okay, so we have another Pandora box. Ah! Ah! Jahndra, you're like the best. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. So she got me the 7 Dwarves. I know it's like so far away, so I'll probably like insert some pictures, but she got me the 7 Dwarf spacer that's new from the fall collection with the Snow White release and everything. And I wanted this as soon as it came out, but I'm like, I'm gonna be good and wait. You can't get everything all at once. And to have a special meeting now with this from Jahndra is so special. Like, oh, Jahndra, you're the best. Thank you. Look at all their little faces. It's so detailed. I actually haven't seen this charm in person. I don't know if you guys are like me or not, but if I go into Pandora, I have like a strict list of what I'm buying. I've planned everything out, and I try not to look at other things because the thing is, once I start looking at other things, you get more tempted. So I try to resist looking at this charm because it's so easy to be like, oh, it's just an extra charm, let's put it in. Oh, it's so detailed and cute. Oh, look at Grumpy. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then we have the Open Me Last, a little something extra to remember me by. Okay, I'm very interested to see what this could be. Okay, we have a cute little box here. Oh, I'm so excited. This is like really fun because it feels like Christmas morning all over again. Wow. Oh my goodness, wow. This totally makes me think of you, but I also totally love it. It's so dainty. Jahndra, thank you. It's the sliding bracelet. I love it so much. I didn't realize how sparkly it was. Oh my goodness, I want to put it on right now. This is so sweet of you. This is like an extra thing. Oh my goodness, Jahndra. Wow. The sliding bracelets are so hard to put on by yourself. I wonder if anyone else has a struggle with it like I do. I usually try to get my husband to help me put them on because I feel like I know people have issues with them sometimes, and I think it's just like in terms of like things breaking, and I feel like because it's harder to put on by yourself. So if you're getting someone to help, maybe that helps prevent it. Okay, so that's the bracelet. It is done. Oh, it really catches the light. Oh, it's so, so pretty. I love this. Actually, I have it really close. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. It's really close to my Essence bracelet. I actually love how they look side by side. That's just stunning. Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Jahndra. This is so special. I'm like really excited to put these charms on their bracelet homes. Like so excited, and I want to eat the junior mints. And I can't wait to put this ornament on my tree. This was so much fun to unbox. Oh my goodness, and I love the ribbon. I love the ribbon. I'm probably silly, but I love to sew and things, so whenever I find like pretty ribbon or things, I get really excited about it. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this Christmas swap, and make sure to, I'll link somewhere on the screen right now or maybe earlier, Jahndra's video, so you can see her swap, see what I picked out for her. I'm really fingers crossed hoping that she likes what I picked out for her. I kind of went with a special theme in mind, so I hope she enjoys the theme. And I sent a couple extra things too, so hoping that she likes those as well. Anyway, you guys, I hope you had an amazing Christmas and holiday with your loved ones and family. Happy 2019. I hope it's a very wonderful, magical, amazing year for everyone, that you all have good health, and that you get to spend some time doing all the things you love. Anyway, take care, God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.